بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا.
Surah An-Nasr. In the name of God, the most gracious, the ever merciful. When comes the help of God and victory, and you see people enter the religion of God in multitudes, glorify the name of your Lord while praising Him, and seek His forgiveness. Indeed, He is ever disposed to mercy.